Like this is
Oh my
holy
No.
Ooh. We are taking off the PPF and some of the vinyl that's on this $500,000 Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is one of, if not the worst jobs that I've ever seen come in here that's getting completely redone. Obviously, one of the more glaring things on here, this fender is absolutely atrocious already and peeling, and I believe that this is a recent job within the last couple of months. I don't know, typically you probably see this much later down the line in the life of the car, but this is insane. There's also, if you see some black vinyl that they used to cover here, this is not PPF anymore, this is just vinyl. So there's just like a bunch of inconsistencies all over the entire car. And there's creases and seams everywhere that you can, they're just visible. Like the naked eye can kind of see this really, really clearly. There's black vinyl over here. There's black vinyl above and below the headlights. It's all around the entire car. It looks absurd. For most people, this might be like acceptable, but at 405, this is not at all. There's like black vinyl under here, all around the edge of the taillight. Pretty obvious right here as well. I can't imagine this being over a $6,000, $7,000 job. If it is, it's even more embarrassing. But yeah, you do get what you pay for a lot of times, and this is kind of an example of that. Why would they even do that? I mean, why not just put PPF here? It's absolutely insane that this is just black vinyl and not PPF. No way. It's PPF over the vinyl. Gloss, black vinyl, satin black vinyl, and satin PPF. Nothing is actually laid like properly. You can just clearly tell where there's paint and where there's vinyl and where there's PPF and where shortcuts were made all over the entire car. When it comes down to something that's a $400,000 or $500,000 car, this is kind of insane to see. But also, I understand people's first time getting PPF, first time getting their stuff wrapped. I get where mistakes can be made, and you choosing to go with a place that's maybe, I don't know, a friend of a friend or something that's a little bit more inexpensive can end up coming back to bite you in the end.
Gloss vinyl wrap, right? This is stealth PPF. This is also gloss vinyl wrap. But then, wait. This is satin vinyl wrap.
One layer of satin vinyl wrap. Just one layer. One single layer.
So there's gloss
vinyl
with satin
PPF, and then there's satin vinyl. Look at this, dude. Look at this. Look at this.
What the heck? No.
Like this is holy
No.
Ooh. So there we go.
That's bad.
Time to take some pictures for evidence, buddy.
Oh my god.
Holy.
So do you think like where the other vinyl is, do you think they send to that too?
I hope not, because there's areas on it. Sorry. You can still hear me though, right?
Yeah. Okay, that's like
I genuinely hope that there's not other areas on the car like this, because there's some places where it's just vinyl, right? Where it's not sanded underneath, but this is clearly to kind of cover that up. Oh, Christopher, was that Cullinan delivered to the PPF place right after it was bought? So it's essentially a brand new car?
So I've been told.
oh no.
So that's why there's a combination of satin, vinyl, gloss vinyl, and PPF all over the car.
What's funny is the client had been texting me. He goes, as soon as you guys start peeling it off, let me know if you find anything unexpected under the car.
Oh. Oh, really?
Yeah.
You don't say.
I will keep peeling.
Okay, I'm just curious if it got to the shop like this, or if something happened at the shop and they tried to cover it up.
No, not that I know of. They told me the car should be brand new.
So it should have been delivered to the dealership right after they purchased it
Yeah,
brand
they
new.
said they took it from dealership.
Jeez, bro. Oh my gosh, that sucks. Well, it's in the right hands now at least. My God. So this is gonna have to get completely repainted. which is exactly what we did. But first, it was time to remove all of the existing PPF and vinyl on this Rolls-Royce. After countless hours of removal, we then sent the car to our buddy Mo to sand and repaint the front bumper. Once we got the car back, it went straight to our checks for PPF the right way. All right guys, Rolls-Royce Cullinan is finally finished. It looks completely different than it did before. All the nasty vinyl, PPF, and whatever else was on this car is completely off now. It looks brand new. This is just another kind of small reminder to maybe do some more research next time you try to choose a PPF shop, and do it right the first time so that you don't have to pay for it a second time. This project was a little bit more extensive than our normal ones because we had to repaint this entire front bumper here first as well, let it cure outside in the sun for a few days properly before we were able to then decontaminate the car and then relay PPF on it. So a little bit more challenging than usual because of how extensive it was to get this car back to where it is right now, with it properly being wrapped in stealth and not any vinyl, not any weird stuff going on, no peeling, no multiple layers of different types of materials on top of each other. It looks brand new, like a completely different car than how it originally came in. Also did the removal of all the black vinyl on all of the chrome pieces, so all the chrome is exposed on the grille, on the lower fascia right here, on the side over here, and on the door handles as well, and the surround for the windows. So it looks like a completely different car, brand new. This is kind of a reminder to everybody that it's kind of like a measure twice, cut once process with shopping around for PPF. If you do it with the wrong people, sometimes it can come out kind of crazy, or they're hiding things from the customer, but we here at 405 take a lot of pride in our work and want to do things the right way the first time. And hopefully this is a lesson for some people out there to not have to pay for things twice. Do it right the first time and have a result that looks as amazing as this does. All right, you guys, this is just another quick reminder. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.